Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. This is Deb. I'm here with hashtag 52 Weeks of Colorspiration hosted by Brandy at Left-Handed Crafter. So please do go check out her channel. She has been faithfully uploading. I have not been as steady, but this is the last Sunday of the month, and I know I'm late with this video. We were supposed to have them up at 11 Eastern, 10 Central. However, I did want to get this done because this is the week that we do the same page, and I haven't checked her channel video yet, so I don't know how she colored hers. But I did use alcohol markers and only alcohol markers this time. I used some Daffodil Delight Dark. I used Shaded Spruce Light and Dark. I used Bubble Bath, and I'm thinking I might have only used the dark in that. I used this skin tone one from Stampin' Up. It's just called SU 200, a darker color, and I used ivory. Yeah, ivory. And I was going to use a lot more of this color, which is Tahitian Tide, which is a retired color, and I was going to use the light, but it is dried up or used up, and this one's getting there too, so I only used a little bit of that. And then I used light and dark Orchid Oasis, which is also a retired color. I don't know if these skin tones are still available. I think so, but I'm not sure. And I believe all the other ones are current colors, all by Stampin' Up, because they're out right in front of me. In fact, when I came up to do this to my craft room, the book I had used for the last time, which actually was the 15th, no, 16th of November, 2 weeks ago, was still here on my desk. So I haven't been up in my craft room since then, other than to come pick stuff up off the printer. Anyway, I digress. So this time we used this relaxation bold and easy coloring book for adults. And on the last Sunday of the month, these pictures have been pre-selected for the whole year by Brandy and I. She picked six, I picked six out of the two books we're using. It happened to be in this one this month. So we'll flip to this. This I had done previously, and September 28th. Oh yeah, I remember that because I put the gold accents on later. And a little bit of some of this got over here right along the edge, sort of. So I tried to do something a little different to help cover it all, but it didn't cover it all. So anyway, forgive me for that. But here it is. It is a teapot, teacup, and a tea bag. And yeah, I could have done better. I was originally going to make this the Tahitian tie, but the only thing that ended up being in that is the little tabby for the tea bag, which is where I used the bone and the dark. I actually had used a different color and I went over it with the dark brown because I didn't like it. But tea is usually dark unless it's like green tea or something or herbal tea. So I just used a dark brown. And I assumed that this has water in it. So I have smoke going out. You can see there's a little bit of that on it. And this I made um, brown like tea drops coming out of it, which doesn't coincide, but I was trying to cover up purple. So yeah, I didn't get it all. But anyway, so there's no tea in the cup yet. That's why it's the inside of the cup, which is darker purple Orchid Oasis. I like that color. And I don't know why I got streaks in here, but I didn't do anything to fix it. And I didn't accent it. And I just used light and dark, a shaded spruce here. And that's it. I kept it really simple just so I could get something up today on the 30th, which happens to be, was my father's birthday. He passed away when he was 79, but he would have been 98 today. This is his birthday. So happy birthday, Dad in heaven. And I miss you. And yeah, I hope you're doing well in this life, wherever you are. Okay, everyone, that is it for me. Be sure to go check out Brandy and see how she did it. It's interesting to see how different people color the same pages. I really like watching that and getting inspiration. And I believe Brandy and I are continuing this in 2026, but we will be doing twice a month. And I can't remember. I think it's like the second and last Sunday or something like that. We have to figure out details yet. And I was going to try and participate in another collab or two, but I don't think the one person is going to let me because I haven't been posting regularly, and that's okay. I will just decide what I'm going to do on my own for next year. I do hope to be doing um, not a ton of videos, but at least posting maybe twice a week on this channel regularly, and I'll have to figure out the dates and all that. Like, my schedule is still not my schedule, so, and I've had stuff to do and appointments for both me and my son's back to work, and I'm driving him day and night for various reasons. But anyway, I won't go into that right now. Okay, I have two more videos I want to try and get up today and or tomorrow, so stay tuned for those. One will be a haul, actually. Yeah, I don't know what prompted me to do a haul, but it's from a store I never shopped from before, and it is an overseas store. And the other one is a planner that I picked up at a local store, and I want to share that with you. All right, take care. Have a wonderful week ahead and happy December as of tomorrow. Bye for now.